Good morning mga katuro. Today, our topic is about on how to access Google Drive and how to upload files on Google Drive. First, you need to open your Google account or your email account. Click Show Application on the left side of your computer or PC. Then, these icons will come out. Choose or click Google Drive, or you can access also Google Apps here. The same icons will pop up. Choose Drive or click Drive. Choose a folder where you want to upload the files. And then, choose your grade level where you want to upload the files. Click which subject folder where you want to upload the file. Click plus New. Click File Upload. And then choose a file saved from your computer. Click Open. Now let's do it again. Click Grade. Choose another subject. Click again New. Click File Upload. Choose a file saved from your laptop or PC. Then click Open. And the files were automatically saved. Now how to create or add folder. Click drop down button of grade level. Then click New Folder. Input a file name or subject. Then click Create. The same process we're going to do or steps creating new folder. Now let's do it again. Click Grade or click drop down button of grade level. Then click New Folder. Input a file name or subject. Then click Create. New folder has been added. Just repeat these steps until all subjects has a folder name. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching.